Hello YouTube, it's me, PMG Productions. I am coming to you today with my custom Devil Dog Troopers, and I just forgot the names. Why? I'm sorry, okay. So, basically, faces on their bodies with fangs represent the Devil Dogs. Trooper number 1, who is in charge, he's got horns. I don't know if you can see them. Oh, and by the way, they all have white tips on their guns, some white out. They all have numbers on their faces to represent which. There's only 5 of them. And there's no some have black caps, some have white caps, some have black. Just turn them around! Yay! Yeah, see, number 1 and 5 have black. Oh, number 1's got, like, completely black, except mask. Half black and half white for the number 4. For white face for number 3. 3/4 for number 2. Number 1's got, like, stitch mark or something. Sorry, it's the day after Halloween, and I just had no idea. I am still very bored, because I have no other clone troopers to customize, because I have some ideas that I got off of some other people, and I will give them credit once I do it. The number 5, he's just bleh. Happy day after Halloween. See you guys later.